Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. As you can see on the screen here, these tweets of ours have a lot of reposts here. So we have the following ways to share and help increase our repost count. The first way is that you can share them in communities to get a lot of reposts here. And the second way, when we aren't famous yet and lack these reposts, is to use a bot to help boost this repost count. Here's the bot I'll be using. We just need to import many X accounts here, and they will act just like real users. Next, just select the seeding function. Enter our posts here, save it, and select all the clone accounts we are managing here. Then select the repost function here. Once done, just click Start, and the software will automatically log into our accounts. After that, it will automatically view our posts and access them to repost them for us. Okay, the process is extremely simple like that. If you want to get this tool or want more details, please message me directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, see you all in the next video.
Thank you.